Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mark external emails in different colors in Outlook. This is a really useful feature if you want to quickly identify which emails are coming from outside your organization, helping you stay more vigilant about potential security risks, or simply organize your inbox better. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for all your emails to fully load before moving forward. This ensures that any changes you make will apply correctly across your inbox. Once everything is loaded, navigate to the View menu located at the top of your screen. This is where all your display and layout options live. Click on the View tab to access these settings. Under the View tab, look for the View Settings option, which is represented by a gear icon. Click on it and an advanced View Settings window will pop up. This is where you can customize how your emails appear in Outlook. From here, click on Conditional Formatting. This feature allows you to set specific rules that change the appearance of emails based on criteria you define. Under the Conditional Formatting tab, you'll see an Add button. Click on it to create a new rule. You'll be directed to the Rule Properties section, which appears right at the bottom part of this window. Start by entering a name for this rule. You can call it something like external mail or outside emails, anything that makes sense to you. Next, click on the Condition button. This opens a condition filter window where you'll define what makes an email external. Look for the From field provided in this window. Here you'll enter external domains that you want to flag. For example, you can type @gmail.com, @yahoo.com, or @icloud.com. These represent common external email providers, so any emails coming from these domains will be marked according to your rule. Once you've added the external email domains, click OK to save your condition. This locks in the criteria that Outlook will use to identify external emails. Now, back in the Rule Properties window, you can choose what color you want these external emails to appear in. Select a color that stands out to you, maybe red or orange, so they're easy to spot in your inbox. After selecting your color, click OK again to finalize and activate the rule. Outlook will now automatically mark all incoming external emails in the color you chose, making them instantly recognizable. And that's it. You've successfully set up Outlook to mark external emails in a different color, giving you better control and awareness over your inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.